All right, so in this video, what we're trying to diagnose is if we don't have power to a power chair and it's not coming on, how do we figure out what the issue is? So this is a Maric's Vision Sport with a seat lift. I'm doing this video because I have a customer that does have this issue, but this is pretty much how you can do this for most chairs. What you would need is a voltmeter that's going to have different readings on here. You want your 220, 200. You want a voltmeter like this, it's a little more sensitive. We set it to 200. So the first thing you want to check if your joystick will not come on is you want to see if you have power to your joystick. So the way you'll figure this out is underneath the joystick where your charger plugs in on almost all chairs is a circle with 3 pins. Now you're going to have 2 pins that are going to be side by side and one below it. Your 2 side by sides are going to be your positive and your negatives. So if you get a positive or negative reading on here, it doesn't matter. What you're looking for is pretty much all units run off 24 to 25 volts. So you want to see based on your voltmeter. So what you'll do, take your voltmeter, set it to 200, and then you're going to want to put these in the positive and negative. Like I said, it does not matter which side we do. So you're going to put these in and you're going to see what your reading comes out to. So you can see I have them in the opposite where they should be because I have negative 25.5 volts. But that means I do have power to my joystick. So if I do have power to the joystick and it's not coming on, it's one or two things. Either your joystick is fried or the keypad is no longer good. So you can test to see if your keypad is no longer good by taking a sharp object, pulling back this rubber keypad on here and touching where the on button would be on the circuit board gently with a piece of metal. If it comes on by doing that, then all you have to do is replace your keypad. If you have voltage but it's not coming on, then you do have to replace the whole joystick.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.